how to fix the issue where 5 GHz Wi-Fi is not showing up on your Windows 11 computer. Now I'm going to show you a couple of ways on how to go and solve this. So the first step is to open up your Start menu, search for Device Manager and click on this window. Now click on the drop down arrow next to Network Adapters and you need to go and locate your Wi-Fi adapter from this list. Now once you've found it, go and right click on it, click on Properties and click on Advanced. Now click on 5 GHz and make sure the value is set to auto. Now click on Band Selection, click on the drop down arrow and you can either set this to all band or you can also set this to 5 GHz only. Just make sure that it's not set to 2.4 or 6G only, so I'm going to leave mine on the all band. You can then press preferred band and leave this as no preference. Now go and press OK. And you can check to see if that's now working. If you're still having an issue, then right click on your adapter again and click on Update Driver. Now press Browse My Computer for drivers and select Let me pick from a list of available drivers. You can then select your Wi-Fi adapter from the list and click on Next. Now if it's still not working, open up your Start menu and click on Settings. In the left hand side, click on Network and Internet. Now select View Advanced Network Settings and select Network Reset. Now click on Reset Now and go and press Yes. Once you've done this, you'll need to restart your computer and that should have solved the issue where 5 GHz Wi-Fi is not showing up in Windows 11.